How to remove Samsung account if you forgot the password of your Samsung account. This method will work with all latest mobile phones, because this is the model we have. As you can see, this is latest Android version 15, so it is latest version. So how to remove Samsung account if you don't know the email password or password of your Samsung account? So we will show you properly how you can remove. As you can see, we have here password. So it is asking for the update, but already it is there is a Samsung account that is working in this Samsung Galaxy store or even mobile phone. Now the first step, you need to go for settings of your mobile phone. Now in the setting, you need to scroll down and go to about phone. In the about section, you need to scroll down and go to software information, and on the build number you need to tap for 7 times until it asks you allow development settings. Now after enabling this, you need to turn off your mobile phone. After turning on, you need a cable, data cable. You can put in your laptop, mobile computer, or even in charger, no problem. After that, you need to press two buttons. You will see here, power button and volume up button. Now there are some settings in recovery mode that you need to do, and with that you can remove easily your Samsung account. So as you can see, keep pressing volume up button and power button. And in case you will see here, you don't need to try directly factory reset. We have some settings to do with that. So first of all, we will try to get into the recovery mode by pressing volume up button and power button. But for that you must need to connect your data cable. Even on the charger, no problem, you can use. Now you can see we are in recovery mode. Now I will take it closer. I will bring closer to the mobile phone, near to the camera, so you can see better results. Now the first thing you need to do, you need to scroll down, and you will see wipe data, but you no need to do that. But before that, you need to click on wipe cache partition, click power button, and then by volume down, click yes. Now you will see here it has done, but now again you need to do again for wiped cache partition. Click again and click on yes again. Now after that you need to click on wipe data factory reset. Now by doing a wipe cache, it will remove all your accounts. Even in some of the phones it will remove your FRP also. So as you can see we have done. Now we'll reboot the system and it will remove 100% of your Samsung account from your mobile phone. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobile YouTube channel.